Day Against Drug Abuse. We all must have heard for 1,000 times that the most important part in one's life is the time when you are a student. Students are very sensitive and adventurous, and this is the reason that they are the epicenter of many hyperactivities. This is also the stage when we are highly addictive and can adopt destructive habits. All these habits are mentioned as the last destroyers of life. Drugs are eligible for a special mention because it is the most addictive among all and even affects the society in many ways. Drugs are the chemical substances which are of two types, legal and illegal. Legal are the one those which we use generally when we are ill under doctor's prescription. And thefts, social crimes, and child abuse, etc., are also increasing due to the major drug addictiveness. Drug addicts move more and more into the criminal activities, and today more than 200 million people are estimated to consume illegal drugs. And fortunately, the world has realized that this is a huge problem on which we need to act. And the United Mahasabha decided to celebrate International Day Against Drug Abuse on 26th of June, that is today. With the help of other countries, the United Nations is determined to strengthen action and cooperation in order to achieve the goal of international society free from drug abuse. And at last, I would like to say that the students community should also be cautious about this danger because it's depend on us that how we use this.
Drug abuse and illicit trafficking that is observed on 26th June every year since 1989. In 1987, the United Nations General Assembly decided to observe 26th June as the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking as an expression of its determination to strengthen action and cooperation to achieve the goal of an international society free of drug abuse. This program supported each year by individuals, communities, and various organizations all over the world. This global observance aims to raise awareness of the major problem that illicit drugs represent to society. Drug is a chemical substance typically of a known structure which when administered to a living organism produces a biological effect. Drug, also called medicine, is a substance that is used to treat, cure, prevent or diagnose a disease or to promote well-being. Drug abuse means use of illegal drugs like heroin, cocaine, or the use of legal and prescribed drugs like alcohol, nicotine, or overuse the counter drugs for purposes other than for which they are made to be used, or in excessive amounts which may lead to social, physical, and emotional problems and can shake one's relations. Drug trafficking is a global illicit trade involving cultivation, manufacture, distribution, and sale of surplus substances which are subject to drug chips by avoiding friends or family members who pressure you to use substances. If consequences go out of control, you may seek help for mental illness, examine risk factors, and keep a well-balanced life. So, at end, I would like to conclude that it totally depends on us how we use them. And it is only when our planet Earth will get completely rid from this human catastrophe when each person would understand the responsibility on his shoulders. Now, at last but not the least, I would like to put to an end with Mahatma Gandhi's words. Strength against addiction does not come from physical capacity, it comes from an indomitable will. Thank you and have a nice day.
A warm welcome to you all present here. I am Arzu of DAV Police Public School, Jean. I am here to give a brief speech on the topic drug addiction in today's adult life. At present time, there are many factors that push a person to take the support of drug addiction and make his life miserable. The most frightening factor is rapid industrialization and urbanization, which has given a birth to new kind of behavior between today's youth, that is individualism, and permit people like these atom families. These days, in many families, both are working, but in result of this, they refuse less than their previous generations, people are living their lives in isolation and avoid of being social because in today's time that when just person much more reliable take medicine than occurs in the modern times. Suffering in the end, making people are get along with depression, drinking, and not be tolerated and should be strictly prohibited. Last day completely. However, this habit is not advised to be torture the addict or to behave inhumanly, because if you try to explain the person about this treatment, he or she can voluntarily be able to opt it and can get rid of this addiction by self-reliance centers, etc. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Arju.
Against drug abuse and illegal trafficking, a day to strengthen action and cooperation to achieve the goal of an international society free of drug abuse. The main aim is to raise awareness of the major problem that illegal drugs represent to society and to enlighten the students on this sensitive topic. Drugs, as we all know, are illegal to use. There are many people who take drugs for various reasons. Those who deal in with the trafficking of drugs form a network and primarily target the youth to make them addicted. Initially, these are sold free of cost, but gradually, when they get addicted to it, they start buying and consuming it. These persons start using foul means to get money for this purpose. Eventually, those people became a part of this network. Lack of awareness and emotional support and disorder in their families make them vulnerable and increase their dependence on drugs. They use it to calm their mental state as well as their mental agitation. Tragically, people fail to realize that their physical and mental health is seriously affected, such that they begin to experience mental disorder, fatal illness, and untimely death occurs. For stopping all this, our government has came up with strict rules and regulations to combat this situation. All these pharmaceutical factories are supervised by the government agencies periodically. Unfortunately, most of the drugs are illegally
I'm very honored to join you today to commemorate the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. So, I would like to deliver a speech on topic drug abuse. Today we are here to discuss the fatal consumption of drugs and how it is destroying the lives of our youth. But before the discussion begins, I would like to deliver a speech. So I hope you all will listen carefully. Drugs, as we all know, are an illegal matter that some people eat, drink, smoke or inject for the physical and mental effects that it leaves. There are several students who consume drugs out of for fun or for several other reasons. People who deal in the selling of drugs create a network and mainly target students in order to make them addicted to the drugs. Initially, the drugs are sold to students for free and gradually, when they are get addicted to it, impact on their health, mental and physical health, such as they start experiencing mental disorder, their intelligence level decreases, experience deadly disease and untimely death. When one completes comes to the temptation of drugs, it gets very difficult for him or her to recover from its impact. Expect in the centers of drug rehabilitation, where they gain a new life, but which involve a high cost. In fact, there are many cases too where even rehabilitation centers fail because of the worst condition of patient. Therefore, I request all the students to refrain themselves completely from the consumption of drugs before it destroys their health, future and takes away their lives. Don't even try to touch or come close to them. Drugs can even destroy a complete generation. So think wise and act smart. Shape your future which seems bright and full of achievements. The drugs
that doctor prescribed to his or her patients must only be taken in order to combat a specific disease. Otherwise, the government must take strict measures to ban its illegal trade in the market and save our youth from destruction. I want to conclude by saying that drug abuse should be an absolute no for all, and I sincerely hope that our students will never ever try to consume drugs and will completely stay away from its use. Remember that our country needs you as you are its future and harbinger of process. Thank you a lot.
Thank you, Jamana. That was some nice content on the issue.
And here I am Kashish from 9th standard from DAV Police Public School. Today I am deliver a speech on topic drug abuse. It is a high time to tell our youth about the dangerous habit of drug misuse. At the present time, there are many factors that push a person to take the sport of drugs, addiction and make his life miserable. The most frightening factor is rapid industrialization and urbanization, which has given birth to a new kind.
Deepika from DAV Police Public School. I am singing a poem about drug addiction. I don't need drugs to get high, I have a swing. I don't need drugs to get away, I have a dreams. I don't need drugs to laugh, I have a friends. I don't need drugs to have fun, I have bubble wrap. I don't need drugs, I'm above that and so on.